Is your diet acidic or alkaline? As you probably already know, the foods we eat have a large impact on our health. Foods that are considered to be alkaline can give us several health benefits. One of the most known supporters of the alkaline diet was Dr. Sebi, an herbalist and healer that dedicated his life to the study of plants and herbs. His teachings have helped thousands of people all over the world, be it in prevention or curing of serious diseases. Due to this, even after his death in 2016, his articles are still being publicized by several people whose lives were changed and health was restored by this diet. Dr. Sebi characterized all foods in 5 groups: live, raw, dead, hybrid, genetically modified, and drugs. The diet he proposed eliminates all food groups but the first 2. His list of recommended vegetables is long, but a few that can be highlighted are bell peppers, chayote, cucumbers, kale, lettuce, okra, onions, squash, turnip greens, wild arugula, and zucchini. The fruit list is full of berries, apart from apples, bananas, dates, figs, grapes, limes, mango, melons, orange, papayas, peaches, pears, plums, prunes, raisins, and tamarinds. And what can you use to season your food? This list is a little shorter, but it allows basil, bay leaf, cayenne, cloves, oregano, sea salt, sage, and thyme, among others. When it comes to sugars and sweeteners, the list is even shorter. The only ones allowed are date sugar from dried dates and 100% pure agave syrup from cactus. The most recommended grains are amaranth, quinoa, rye, and wild rice, to name a few. For many, this diet may be considered limited, but the people who follow it say that there are enough foods for a varied diet. Check the description box below for the complete list of permitted foods. Had you already heard of the alkaline diet? Tell us what you think in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.